Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add scrolling text in Inshot, and it's super easy. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So first, open the Inshot app on your mobile device and then tap on video and select the video you want to edit. Now, tap on the PIP or picture in picture and upload the colored image you want to use as the background of your scrolling text. So for example, I'm using a red colored image. So resize and position the image at the bottom of your video to act as the scrolling text box. So trim the duration so it matches your video if needed. And next, tap on text and type in whatever message you'd like to display. So drag and place the text onto the colored bar and adjust the size and font as you like. To make it scroll, tap on the upside down triangle which is called keyframe and tap your text that you want to add the slide from start and then to finish like this. And that's it. You've now added a clean, professional looking scrolling text bar to your video in Inshot. Thanks for watching.